Hello, this is Greg Fambrook, creator of the YouTube channel Greg's Mind, and I am doing this to prove a point. Basically the face mask, so the true purpose of the face mask is to basically keep us submissive. To, it was originally for the pandemic, but at this point, a year has passed and it doesn't help. Like I know it doesn't help. The, we shouldn't be listening to like some big government agency about wearing them because like we each are our own individual. We should be allowed to do what we want. We shouldn't have some pandemic or something be able to shut down everything to prevent us from doing stuff. And so I want to compare us with the face mask to our man's best friend, which is the dog. And the thing is, us wearing the face mask is us being submissive to basically a abusive master, which is the government. The government is the abusive master. The government will kick us. We won't even flinch. We have lost the like wolf spirit that we're supposed to be. We're supposed to be fighters. We're supposed to fight back. I mean, we do have the military, but the military isn't. It's part of the government, more or less. It's up to the citizens, such as us, to fight back. To the muzzle is this thing, this face mask. These are meant for us to like show us like how far are we willing to go to let our like liberties and our freedoms be stifled. The face mask is just one of the stars to see like are we gonna fight back now? What is the next step? I mean we're already basically locked in our own homes. We can't go out anymore, we can't go to like a ball game. I mean I'm not into sports, I wouldn't go, but we can't go to them anymore because the government, the abusive master, is is telling us you can't do this, you can't do that or this or whatever the hell you want to do. The government is telling us we aren't allowed to do that, and we're all submissive and allowing ourselves to just take it and take it and take it. And when like what is gonna ignite what we do next, how we get out of this? I mean, I already did a video on the COVID stuff. Yeah. I already did a video on the COVID stuff and how it's all basically a mass hysteria. It's a placebo. That's what viruses are. A virus is a placebo that hits the, sadly, the weak-willed and weak-minded people, and then it just spreads like wildfire. If you have a strong mind, you aren't going to get sick. But because society, as I did in the last video, is all about like just destroying us, demoralizing us, and keeping us down, we're forced to wear these. And I mean, what what is gonna start the next like what is gonna end this? Are we gonna be in straitjackets at some point because we're freely talking? Is that the reason for the face masks? Are we gonna stop? Is it for us to stop talking and stop trying to vocalize our issues? I mean, we already know the system is corrupted, so why are we allowing a corrupted system to still dictate us? to still tell us what to do. It it makes no sense at all. Uh, so stop wearing your face masks. Like, just stop doing it. All you need to do is ignore the government. There are gonna be people who get hurt, maybe die, but it is to create a better world. We are not the domesticated dog. We are wolves. We fight back. We will bite the master when it, when he gets too much. When he neglects to feed us, or not, what am I saying? Not neglect, government bad. So, everyone, just raise your hand if you're tired of, uh, whatever. If you're tired of wearing the mask, stop listening to the government. Stop listening to the CDC. Exports are just who the government tells you that you should listen to. That's all it is. You don't know what they know, and they don't know what you know. So why are you allowing yourself to be told something when you don't know that they are telling you the truth, and they don't know that you know the truth? You are your own free person. You can ignore everything. You can fight back. Yet we're just submissive. So, what are we gonna do? Are we gonna? I mean, what we could do is we could elect Trump as our president, secede from the Union, call ourselves the new Republic of America, otherwise the NRA, National Rifle Association, and just fight back. Do a coup on Biden and that government, because Biden ain't my president. Trump is still my president. This is all insane. We need to get out of this slave mindset. That is what we are. That is what the whole of America is, and even the world. And until we start proceeding forward and fighting back, that is all we ever are going to be. We are never going to be free, and we are never going to find happiness if we're not free. So, fight back. Stop wearing the mask. Stop wearing the stupid muzzle that the CDC, the government, is telling us to wear, because it doesn't matter if a few of us get sick. I mean, I know some people will feel disheartened by that. They want their family to live, but for the greater cause is to stop letting yourself be limited, to stop wearing the mask. That is the purpose of the mask. That's the true purpose. We're not supposed to just blindly wear it. Anyway, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, join the Patreon or Discord. Have a good day. Sorry I had to use a sad dog face, but tends to walk. So, have a good day. Have a better day. And stop being the wolf, not the domesticated dog who's beaten by the abusive master that we call our government. Goodbye.